my hair looks not cute. Anyways, I was being lazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I was away for maybe like 2 weeks. I just wanted to take a break and really like redecorate and just add a little bit more love to my apartment. I've lived here for a whole year now, and almost a whole year. In May I make a year, but I don't know, it just felt empty still, and I just went a little ham and added some nice decor pieces to the living room and the bedroom. I also flipped the bedroom, so I rearranged my furniture. Now I like my filming setup a little more. I'm not like up against the wall, which is boring and just bleh. Anyways, I wanted to come on here and just try out the new ABH Riviera palette. It is a little scary looking at first for many who aren't used to bright colors. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty on the outside. I always love the packaging. It's different from the velvet packaging that she usually does. These are the colors on the inside. It's really pretty, very summery, not shades that I would gravitate to unless I want to do like a creative look, but it is nice. It pushed me out of my comfort zone. I would have never put together an eye look like this. So if you guys want to see how I created this look with the palette, go ahead and keep on watching. I hate wearing my hair in a bun because I always look bald, but I didn't want to think about what to do with my hair. I just wanted to play with makeup and just film it. So I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows because the product that I'm using for my brows isn't new, but I did want to go in and kind of use this new product that ABH released. So this is called the Dip Brow Gel. The name is really tiny at the bottom. I wanted to go ahead and just run this through my brows. I like a more filled in brow and then kind of define it, so I just didn't want to use this on its own. I went ahead with a pencil first, and then I'm gonna go in with this to kind of give it a little bit more fullness. I'm just running this through my brow to see if it does anything. Because I feel like this product as a topper is really good to kind of make your brows a little fuller. Alright, now that my eyebrows are all done, they're not perfect, but it's okay. Sometimes I don't have the most fabulous eyebrow day. I want to go ahead and jump into the eyes. I'm excited because I'm going to be using the new ABH Riviera palette. I haven't even swatched it yet. This is what the colors look like. They're really pretty. You do have your wearable colors in here, which ABH always keeps in all her palettes. Let's be honest, all her palettes are very neutral, but can't help myself, I still own all of them. So yeah, I just wanted to do something fun. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this palette yet, so let's just hope that the eye goes well. Alright, so I went ahead and primed my eyelids with concealer and then set it with some translucent powder. I do have a little swatch palette on the back of my hand here, just so I can kind of see what colors I want to use on my lids. To be honest, I'm a little scared to go in because I don't really know how Anastasia does with very pigmented bright shadows like this, so I'm a little scared. I have seen some reviews and I know that the shadows are very pigmented, so I am going to apply a lot of transition colors to warm myself up. Like her usual palettes, this one does have a lot of kickback. It's a little annoying, but it's nothing crazy because it doesn't cause, if you tap your brush off first, you won't really have that much fallout on your under eye. There's a lot of fallout on my palette at the moment, and I don't really enjoy that very much because I don't like a messy palette, but it's okay. Just gonna blend it in softly into that crevice right there and just wing it out. I am gonna take that pink with a much smaller brush because I don't think I've emphasized enough how scared I am of it, but here we go. Just gonna coat the brush, oh my god, and just start at the end and just start tapping it in and slowly blend out. I don't want any patchiness or anything like that. That's what I'm afraid of, so I'm just gonna pat it in and then blend it out. This shade may not seem super pigmented to you as I'm applying it, but it's because I'm literally taking the lightest hand possible just so I can build it up softly. I'm gonna go ahead and take that purple with a small brush as well and just pick it up, dust off as much as possible, and just kind of add it into my crease right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dewy Set Spray that ABH came out with and just spray it on the shimmer to see how it looks. Now that I have these shimmers on, I'm gonna start blending out all these kind of shades right here. So I'm gonna take the pink and add it again. These mattes like blend really nice on top of the shimmers. And I'm gonna add the purple. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this eye, add some, what am I talking about? I'm gonna add, wow, I really can't focus. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the off, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off of camera, clean this up, add some lashes, make it look really nice, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so we're almost done. I really like how this turned out. It's very like fairy-like, you know, very nice and purple and iridescent. For my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take Curvy. This is from ColourPop, and just line my lips. And then to top it off, kind of to make it a little bit more nude, I'm gonna take Strips Liquid Lipstick by ABH as well and just kind of dab that in the center. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really, oh, my hair looks messy. I really love how it came out. I left my hair in a messy bun, but I just added some accessories. Anyways, I really love how this look came out. This shit is gorgeous. Like, I didn't think that I was gonna pull such a pretty look from this palette because I don't know, I was a little intimidated with all the colors. I wasn't really getting I don't know, like any ideas of looks that I could create from it, but this is a good one. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now, and I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate any love that I get, even if it's just a like, a subscribe, a comment. I welcome it all. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.